Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we design our homes, but is it really all it's cracked up to be? Today, we'll weigh the pros and cons of AI in interior design to help you decide if it's the right choice for your next project. One of the biggest advantages of AI is how quickly it can generate design ideas. In seconds, AI can provide endless inspiration tailored to your style, helping you make decisions faster. Artificial intelligence can create great visuals, but it can't replicate the personal touch and intuition that human designers bring. If you want a space that feels unique and truly yours, artificial intelligence might fall short. Artificial intelligence can drastically reduce design time. What used to take weeks of sketches and revisions can now be done in just hours, getting you closer to your dream space faster. Artificial intelligence is only as good as the data it receives. If your room's measurements or preferences are inaccurate, it could lead to subpar results that don't fit your space. Wondering how artificial intelligence can help make your home design process easier and faster? Take our fun style quiz to find out which design approach suits your style best. Artificial intelligence doesn't just give you generic suggestions. It tailors designs to your specific preferences, helping you create a space that's truly unique and aligned with your personal style. Relying too much on artificial intelligence can lead to designs that feel formulaic or overly predictable. It's important to balance tech with creativity to avoid missing out on truly unique concepts. Artificial intelligence is also great for helping you stick to a budget. It can suggest cost-effective materials, furniture, and layouts without compromising on style. Artificial intelligence might generate the perfect layout, but it doesn't understand how to create the right mood or emotional atmosphere in a space. Human designers are crucial for crafting spaces that feel welcoming and comfortable. Which side of the artificial intelligence debate do you agree with? Subscribe for more insights on how to make the most of AI in your home design journey, and let us know your thoughts in the comments.